Okay, KB's Cafe back in effect once again. Good morning, peepers. I'm doing a different type of hash today. Cut it up everything because I don't have a Tavis to sit up here and record me. I have to do it myself by hand. So, anyway, in this dish, I have, of course, my potatoes, my bell peppers, my onions. This is the clean out the refrigerator hash. So I have some asparagus. I got some turkey bacon and the little bit of pork sausage that I had left. My seasonings would be salt and pepper, of course, garlic, onion powder, and some paprika and cilantro. Yes, cilantro makes everything better, and some parsley. So this is again another breakfast hash that I have created, and it's called Clean the Refrigerator Hash. Try it out. You just might like it. Don't judge me. Enjoy and smooches.